Hi, I'm Gina. Welcome to my channel, Cake and Sprinkles Cakeaway. I love piping buttercream flowers. So in my next tutorial coming up, I'm going to show you how to pipe a double daffodil, which is this one, onto a cupcake. I shall leave all the information of piping tips, the buttercream recipe that I've used in the description box below. So if you like my content, please like, subscribe, leave a comment if you want to see different flowers that you would like me to pipe, and also hit that notification bell. Anyway, I do hope you enjoy the next video and thank you for watching. In this video I'm going to show you how to pipe a double daffodil. So the tips I'm using is a Wilton 125, or you can use a Colour Mill 125. There is other ones out there that equivalent to the 125, and I'm using a Wilton 104. Now these piping tips, they're the same, but one's bigger than the other. So that's a 125 and that's 124. They have a narrow end and a fat end on both of them, and then also a number 2, and a coupler in your bag, which is holding the Wilton 104. Now what we're going to do is, and also we're going to use a 352 leaf tip, which is the bird's beak, as you can see. The colours I've used is Progel Yellow. Now I haven't put a lot in this one, which is the 125. We just want it a bit of a lemony colour because some of the daffodils aren't bright yellow. And then for the centre I've mixed yellow, and then I've also put a bit of egg yellow in there, so sugar flare egg yellow, just to deepen that one up in the so it's a bit deeper, or a deeper yellow. Probably doesn't look deeper, but it is. And then I've used a sugar flare gooseberry, so I'll pop them to one side. And we're going to take a cocktail stick, and we want 6 lines. Well, we want, because we're going to pipe 6 petals, so we need to come across that way, right down the centre, so to give you a line. And then we're coming across on a diagonal that way, and the same that way. So we've got a star shape, so it looks like a star on the cupcake. Now when we're piping, so you fill your bag, don't overfill it, else you won't be able to handle the and have it so that the edge of that tip is in line with your hand. It gives you greater control, and always make sure it's tight. We're going to start with the fat end, which is that end that's going down towards cupcake, and we're going to start with it more or less flat to the cupcake. So we want the piping tip so it's more or less lay flat onto it, not completely flat, but lay flat. And we're going to start from the centre here, and we're going to go up, and then we're going to go across like a diamond, and then come back down again, so it's like a diamond shape. And then the same on this side, so we're going up, diamond shape, and then come back down, so you've got diamond shapes there. And we'll do the same again, up like a diamond, and come back down. Don't worry if it curves off too much. And we're going up again like a diamond. You can see that like diamonds and petals. And then we're doing the same here, up. These lines are just to give you a guide. And a diamond, and we're going to pop another one here, up. Don't matter if you go over that one. Now just on these little gaps here, I'm just going to squeeze a teeny bit into it, like that, all the way around into the, oops, that's sticking, It should wipe the piping tip. Actually, it won't stick. Always pipe onto a frozen cupcake. Once you flat ice it as well. So we need a little bit there, and a little bit there. Just to fill in those little gaps a little bit. A little bit there, and a little bit there. So it looks like a star in the middle. Now what we're going to do is actually go over these petals. It's to give the flower some height. So we're going to do it again. We're going to go up, triangle, diamond, turn your cupcake and come down. As you can see, that's filled in there. And underneath that one, go up, diamond shape, round and down. So up, across that way, and bring it down. Always move your cupcake and not your bag, your piping tip. Again, up, across, that way, and down. As you can see, my buttercream's got a bit of lighter and darker. I think that's just the way I mixed it, so we need one more petal here. Up, across, that way, and down. So it's like that. And there's your petals of your... So we pop that into there again. Just fill those little gaps in. You don't really need to do this actually because it's a double daffodil, you're not going to see them. Right, so what I do normally on the petals is just pinch them to a little point. Daffodils have got little pointy petals. Just try and pinch it. That one's a bit frilly edge, but it doesn't matter because all petals aren't perfect on flowers. So you've got tiny little points on them, like so. So it just gives it a bit more of an effect. Right, we're going to take our Wilton 104, which is the same as that one tip we've just been using, but it's a bigger tip. Now we're going to take this off for a second. And what we're going to do is we're going to put a tiny blob in the centre. This is to help to hold structure that's going to go around. Now, first we're going to actually put the number 2 on. We'll tighten that on. And then we're going to pipe, because obviously a daffodil has stamens in the centre. I'm not sure what that is, I think it's just... So we're going to pipe up so they're standing up, because you get stamens in the middle of a... I want that to stand up. Gentle squeezes and pull up. Oh, that one's fell over. Never mind. That's not lifting up. There we go. You can stay up. So we just got those in the centre like so. Okay. So we take off our number 2 and put our number 104 on top of that. Tighten it on. Should tighten on. A bit wobbly. There we go. Now what we're going to do is we want the fat end down. So we're going to start here. I'm going to tilt there. And we're going to come up, go round, just shaking that up and down a little bit until you meet that end. Okay, so now you've got that's at centre. I'm just going to take a cocktail stick And the cocktail stick's brilliant for just adjusting things. So there we go, that's the centre. So that looks like that. Now what we're actually going to do is, because the double daffodil, it's like all petals around it. So we're going to now put the fat end down. We're just going to put some petals like so around. So the fat end towards this, and come out. You can fit them in anywhere. So it's all coming out. So it makes like lovely petals. The centre of the daffodil. And there you go. And that's it. That's your double daffodil. If you want to, you can put some more stamens in, but I think it looks pretty as it is. Now, what we're going to do here is, because we've got some cupcakes showing here, we're going to actually put some leaves. So now you want your tip has got to be like a bird's beak. So that way. So the point is that way, and the point is that way onto the cake. You're going to press down onto the cupcake and pull out. Press down and pull out. And I've got a bit of a gap here. Down and pull out. And there we go. There is your double daffodil. Thank you for watching.